Arcano Studios.
LTASC. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going. Some sounds are short, which is Janesco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are really long, like Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
You know, looking after Alana is hard, but I'm Untold Loneliness Oswald, by the way. I'm going to preview the farting, diarrhea, and peeing sound effect from Gacha Fart Uwu. It was uploaded 2 months ago on August 5th, and heard in a video called I don't feel so good, and I think I'm a bit sick, and I just have a fever, a cold, and nausea. I think I'm gonna. Sorry, I just had nausea and vomiting due to sickness. But on with the video now. It was uploaded 2 months ago on August 5th, and was heard in a video called Gacha Fart. The duration of the sound effect is 0:13 to 0:40, making it 27 seconds in total. The music will be removed at the beginning and end. According to IRL Noella, this sound effect is used for her characters. And yes, my best friend Leslie said that. You know what? Fine. I'm previewing this sound effect myself now. See, I told you that this sound effect is used for IRL Noella and her characters. Ugh, why did I get so sick from nausea, fever, and vomiting? I hope the girls will give me a get well soon card. Not again.